At UEI, our medical assistant program gives you the hands-on skills to step confidently into a healthcare career. You'll learn how to take patient vitals, assist with clinical procedures, draw blood, work with electronic health records, and provide both clinical and administrative support, all while building strong communication skills with patients and healthcare teams. Training includes mock checkups, recording vitals, helping physicians with exams, practicing injections, and understanding anatomy, pharmacology, and medical privacy law and ethics. In your final module, you'll bring everything together during an externship at a local clinic, so you graduate ready to work. Why do students choose UEI's medical assistant program? Because they want to help others start a fulfilling career and have support from enrollment to graduation and beyond. Take the first step toward your healthcare career with UEI's medical assistant program today.